Right, don't press it yet. That one there.
Guy Martin is a willing volunteer.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire now. Fire now. All sentries, maintain your position.
No messing. Said as calmly as that. Did you like that?
Does that feel good?
That was mega. Thank you very much.
In the space of 12 seconds, a 50-year landscape has changed forever.
That was just absolute devastation.
The substation next door survives intact, but otherwise Eggborough is now rubble.
I'm going to be a bit getting over that.
99% of which will be recycled. Was once used for heating, cooking, generating electricity, and powering industry. But as the principal cause of climate change, its versatility came at great cost. Just 4 plants capable of burning coal now remain. After 140 years, the first age of power generation is almost over.
I'm not saying good riddance, I am not saying that. Yeah, the job's got to move on, but yeah, what a massive engineering achievement it would have been 50 years ago, you know. What a piece of kit. Now just look at what this place did. Up until only 4 years ago, it was putting out burning coal and putting out that thick end of 2 gigawatts. You know, look at all the shops, the hospitals, the houses that it's powered. How many kettles has it boiled? You know what I mean? It was a good explosion, though, wasn't it? Wasn't it? It was a good explosion. Yeah, so here we go. This is me making Britain that bit cleaner. Blowing up coal-fired power stations, yeah.